Hello Marta and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya. I was referred to you by Sandra Rey, and in this video I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I will be covering the homepage, the Google Business Profile, and something that we know as backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button, links to your social media accounts. The visuals are really nice. You have a little bit of a description of your company and then the services that you provide as well, and the pictures are really nice, let me tell you. And you have the contact us form over here. So overall, it is an easy to navigate website. I would suggest that you actually make the click to call button a little bit bigger and also have the contact us form at the top so that it is easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now, and everything, just remember, everything that you have on your front page is considered content. So right now, you have 367 words. So let's have a look at how you are saving these pictures. Commercial non-care, so it's actually, you are actually using keywords, so well done there. In terms of the amount of content, you actually want to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because through content, you're going to be able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically how people search in the Google search to when they want to buy a product or a service. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. These guys, Broward Landscape, they have 798 words, so a little bit more of content. And Pink and Green, these guys have 1,056 words. So that's an opportunity for you to actually increase the content, make it more relevant, and throw in and sprinkle your whole website with buyer intent keywords. So let's come here to the Google search. In here, I type in commercial landscape Broward, which is one of those buyer intent keywords. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, which are not showing for me at the moment. Sometimes they come at the bottom, so you can see them here. They are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The flip side is that they can be very expensive and some people just turn them off in their browsers. The second section is the map pack. This section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and Google likes to see that you're interacting with your customers. And you also need something that we call citations, which is basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp. So for example, this is a directory, and the name, address, and phone number on those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is the Google Organic Search. So to rank here, you first need a website that is found by Google, basically that is correctly built in terms of content. And then you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and right now I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 47 external websites pointing to your website through 827 backlinks or links. If I have a look at Broward Landscape, they have 160 external websites directing traffic to their website through 497 backlinks, and Pink and Green, they have 976 external websites directing traffic through 2,670 links. And that's the mechanism, just coming back to your profile, that's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones for the search that users are performing. Just think about it like a popularity contest. In this case, the one that has the most backlinks and the most powerful backlinks is the one that is going to rank at the top, win the competition by ranking at the top. And the most powerful backlinks are those that are sitting on websites that are related to your services and to the industry that you operate in. Now, the other section that I wanted to show you is the organic keywords. So right now, this tool is telling me that you are ranking for 2 organic keywords. In here, I can see what these keywords are. These 2 at the bottom because you lost the top 3. This view shows me the keywords, the search volume for those keywords, and in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. So it's going to be really hard for you to drive any traffic to your website. Let's have a look at these guys. Broward Landscape. They are being found for 513 organic keywords. And here we have some of those keywords. So for example, Broward Landscaping has a search volume of 150 searches per month. So 150 people searching for that. And because they are in the first position, they were able to drive 53 visits. This is an estimate, but 53 visits to their website. Hardscape in South Florida, they are on the first position. The search volume is 100, and they were able to drive 38%. So you can see that by ranking on the first position, generally speaking, the click-through rate, or basically the percentage of traffic that the first position gets in the Google organic search, is 30%. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have the higher search volume so that you can throw them in the content of your website. And you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And this is how traffic translates into the growth of your company. Excuse me. So I hope that you really like this video. Please feel free to use the information to improve the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.